If you want to make sure that your face has a good presentation, then it's a good idea to have your background blurred out. And Google Meet has a feature to blur out your background as well. So let's just go over here and click on New Meeting and start an instant meeting just like this. So once I do that right here, you can see that I have my face right here, but the background is kind of like noisy. So if you want to turn on the background blur feature, you can simply click on this button right here where it says turn on background blur. Once you click on it, what happens is that the AI detects like what you are having. So let's say, for example, it's detecting your face, but it is not perfect. You can see that my hand sometimes is blurred out just like that. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it is. But it overall gives a cleaner look for the meeting participants, just like this. So I can simply join out the meeting right here, just like that. And then what happens is that the background is blurred out. So your audiences, that is other meeting participants, will be able to see just you, just like that. If you want to turn off or turn on the background blur, when you're inside a meeting itself, you can simply go over here on to more options and then turn off background blur just like this. And if you want to turn it back on, you simply go inside right here and turn on background blur just like that. And that is how you can turn background blur on and off inside of Google Meet. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.